फ्रेंड्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगी कि सेकंड जीमेल अकाउंट कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे। तो इसके लिए सेकंड अकाउंट वैसे भी गूगल अकाउंट क्रिएट करने के लिए हमारे पास ऑप्शन दिए जाते हैं। आगे दो ऑप्शन हमें दिए जाते हैं। एक पर्सनल अकाउंट बताना होता है कि पर्सनल अकाउंट आपको चाहिए होता है या फिर बिज़नेस के लिए आपको चाहिए होता है। तो इसके लिए दो ऑप्शंस होते हैं, तो हमें उससे सेलेक्ट करना होगा कि हमें किसके लिए चाहिए। तो शुरू करते हैं। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मेरे चैनल को वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि नई आने वाली वीडियो आपको आसानी से मिल जाए। तो वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। हाउ टू क्रिएट अ सेकंड जीमेल। According to CNBC, Gmail is a planet's most dominant email service with over a billion active users worldwide. Among these, over 5 billion businesses are using Google Workspace to stay productive. These includes both small businesses as well as big companies like Colgate, Palmolive, and Verizon. Pretty much everyone has Gmail installed on their tablets, smartphones, and desktops, which make it one of the most universal apps there is. Listed below are the steps for creating another Gmail account. Locate the Gmail app on your tablet or phone. The multicolored M icon. Do you see your initial or profile picture in the top right corner? Click on it. Select Add another account. Once you see the menu expand. On your web browser window, a Google sign-in screen should appear. Now click Create Account in the subsequent steps. Creating a business account. Google will now prompt you to select whether you are creating a second Gmail account for personal use, for myself as the option, or for business use to manage my business as the second option. If you choose the latter, you will be redirected to Google Workspace. This is where you will need to set up a Google Workspace account that starts at $6 a month per user. Creating a personal account. You may choose to create a free Gmail account by opting for a personal account instead. In this alternative, all you need to do is enter your first name, surname, birthday, gender in their respective field. Next, you can either choose one of the suggested email addresses or create your own. Make sure you create a strong password and change it periodically. To ensure maximum security, turn on two-factor authentications by verifying your phone number. How can you link Gmail addresses? Follow the steps below. Second, send email as secondary account. Open your primary Gmail account and navigate to settings. Click see all settings and head over to the accounts and import tab. Select import mail and contacts. Enter a name for secondary account and its addresses.